Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you want to learn telekinesis, like this, look at this. Look at the paper, this paper. It moves, right? Okay, look at this. It moved, right? I didn't hit it. Okay, I promise I didn't hit it. Okay. Okay, if you wanna learn that, this is. Okay, get the paper. Hold it like this. And stand it like this. Like this. Like that. Okay, so rub your hand for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, if you're done, so do like this. Do like this. If you feel a ball in your hand, just do like this. Just do this strong. So it's gonna fall. Okay. Okay, so wanna learn easy. So let's do like this, and do like this, and do like this, and do like this again, and do like this, and do like this again. And 3, go strong. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Excuse, just move right. Excuse, blow it in your hands if you want. I'm blowing in my hands, so let's do it. Okay, it's getting. Do like this. Do like this. Do like this. Energy ball. 1, 2, 3. Okay. More. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just do 7 and do like this. If it doesn't work in the first try, just keep trying. I will not watch. Yeah, I move.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop!
If it not work anytime like this, like me, drink a lot of water. That makes your energy. So let's do like this. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's gonna work. So see you in the next video. Bye.